Alright, so right here I had a bunch of logic gate ICs, as you can see right here. But the thing was, whenever I used these logic gate ICs in building my circuits, the ICs would be either damaged or any one of the logic gates was not working. And after building this circuit, in the upcoming videos, I am going to be showing you how can you make your own logic gate IC tester using the ESP32 microcontroller, as the ESP32 has a lot of GPIO pins. So let's start it. In order to make it, I am going to be taking few wires, breadboard, button, switch and LEDs and resistors. And so right now I am going to be connecting two button switches right here, and these will be the two inputs for the AND gate IC, and I am going to be placing a 1 kilo ohm resistor and an LED, and I will hook up this wire to the negative terminal of the LED, and I am going to be connecting a wire from the terminal of the resistor to the output pin of the first logic gate of the AND gate IC right here. And next I am going to be connecting the push button right from here to the first input of the first AND gate, and then the another input from the second switch to the input number 2 of the first AND gate. And in order to power up the switch buttons, I am going to be placing this wire from positive to the switch button. And don't forget to hook up the VCC and ground of the IC. So right now the connections are done according to the logic. If the inputs are 0 and 1, the LED is off, and if the inputs is 1 and 0, the LED off, and only when both the inputs are high, the LED is on, as you can see. Now in order to test all the logic gates, what I'm going to be doing is I will just hook up these wires right to the first gate. So let me test it again. Right, even this is working, and you can do it to the all logic gates like this. So even if I place the NOR gate IC, I could just check it by putting the inputs to the pin 2, pin 3 and output to the pin number 1. I place this IC and I think it's not working. Holy shit, it's burning. So right now I have connected another IC, and if I check the input of it, then when any one of the input is low, when any one of the input is high, the output should be low. So as you can see, it is becoming low, and I can test this all around. But the thing is, this is a very complicated circuit if you want to test a dozen of ICs, as you have seen on my videos. So coming videos, I'm going to be making this logic gate IC tester using the ESP32, as ESP32 has a lot of GPIO pins. So stay tuned, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.